In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula column. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a formula column to your board and write clear, reliable expressions that pull real value from your existing data. A formula column does the math and logic for you, using values you already have in other columns. It updates automatically whenever your data changes, so you save time and avoid manual errors. Let's start by adding the column. On your board, look to the far right and click the plus add column button. This opens a list of column types. From that list, choose formula. That's it. Your new column is created and ready for your expression. If you don't see the button right away, try widening your window or scrolling horizontally to the end of your board. The control lies at the right edge in most layouts. Now it's time to enter your formula. The most important rule is this. Whenever you want to use values from another column, wrap the column name in curly braces. Those braces tell the system, use the data from this column, not a piece of text. Type the column names exactly as they appear on your board. If your column has spaces or special characters, keep them inside the braces exactly the same, like billable hours or hourly rate. Here's a practical example. Type hours for rate to calculate a total cost. This multiplies the value in the hours column by the value in the rate column for each row. Make sure those columns are numeric so the math works as expected. If a cell is empty, the result may be blank or show 0, depending on your setup, so it's a good idea to confirm your input data is complete. For a simple status check, use an if statement. Type if/status done UI. Omkenikafram. This reads as if the status column equals the word done, show a check mark, otherwise show a cross. Notice that text comparisons go inside quotes, and the results here are also text. Make sure the word done matches your status value exactly, including capitalization and spacing. If you prefer, you can swap the symbols for words like yes and no, or for numbers like 1 and 0, depending on what's most useful in your workflow. That's all there is to it. Click plus add column, choose formula, and write expressions using column names inside curly braces. Try the multiplication and if examples to get comfortable, and then adapt them to fit your data. Your board will do the heavy lifting, instantly and accurately.